Hey, beautiful souls, it's Chosen One, your coach's favorite coach. Welcome to my empath point of view. Have you ever felt like you're questioning your own reality, wondering if it's really all in your head? Today, we're diving deep into the world of narcissists and gaslighting, what it is, how it works, and most importantly, how you can recognize the signs. Now, let's dive right in. When you're dealing with a narcissist, gaslighting is one of their top strategies, especially against empaths. Narcissists know you're sensitive, that you're naturally inclined to understand and trust people. So they'll use that and flip it and reverse it back on you. They'll get you thinking that every issue, every problem, every moment of doubt or confusion is your fault. You'll start questioning yourself, asking, is it really all in my head? But here's the thing. They want you in that confused space because it works to their advantage. And if you're constantly on edge, trying to adjust yourself to fit whatever reality they decide is true that day, that is how they control you. They're not just manipulating and controlling you, they're pulling the strings of your entire perspective. The goal is to make you doubt yourself so much that you don't trust your own instincts. So when they lie, twist, or manipulate, by that point, you're too wrapped up in your self-doubt to even notice. So if you're in a relationship where you're always feeling off, always second guessing your reality, understand that's exactly what they want. This isn't love, it's control. They twist your perception to keep you dependent, to make you doubt your own truth. But once you see through the gaslighting, you reclaim your power. Remember, your intuition is real and your peace is always non-negotiable. Hey, beautiful souls, it's Chosen One, your coach's favorite coach. As always, thank you for listening to my empath point of view. Until next time.